Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. In this tutorial, we will see advanced editing techniques. Firstly, we will see that how text are placed behind the object. For example, I have taken a video clip in which a man is in the forest. You can observe in preview section. Here, we will place a text behind this man. Now, right-click on video and create duplicate file. After that, move the duplicate video to third layer. Now, select the third layer video and click here on Smart Cutout. Here, we have to select the subject from brush tool, which we want to keep. So, I am drawing over this man. So, this is automatically selected the subject. Now, I will use Erase tool for erasing unwanted area in selection. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. After erasing, here you can adjust your thickness and edge feather. After adjustment, click here to start cut out whole video. It will take some second to complete, it's depend on video length. Tracking process is completed, now click on Save. Here, you can see that background is removed now. After it, we will add text on it. Here I am selecting randomly and drag to timeline. Now, you can adjust or edit it. After adjusting, drag it to second layer. Here, it's completed. Next one is remove object from video. Now, we will import the video to the timeline from which we want to remove object. In this video, you can observe that some people are running, so we will remove it from video. Here, we will add one more video track and drag the same video to the timeline. Now, we will hide the first video and select the second video and click on Mask section and then choose Circle Mask. Now, adjust the circle mask according to the object which you want to remove. Adjust the blur strength according to your video. After adjusting, click on Position keyframe. And then move the selection according to the movable object. So, watch carefully. Here, position keyframing is completed. So now, click on Invert Mask. Here, you can observe in the preview section that running people are covered with mask. Now, select the first video and click on Unhide. After that, Split the first video at more than middle part. And then replace to each other. Finally, the running people are removed from the video. You can watch in the preview section. Next one is motion tracking. Here you can see in preview section that subject is moving. So we will track its motion. For tracking its motion, double click on your clip and then click on motion tracking tool. After that, you have to move this white box over the moving subject and adjust this white box according to your movable subject. After adjusting it, click on Start Motion Track and wait a second. And now we will add text to it. Now link the text to motion tracking. This is the result. Thanks for watching.